Well, the Future Cities Collaborative Program is about bringing cities together to learn from one another and share together to make cities of the future using everything we've learned from Australia and the United States.
The Future Cities program brought together senior staff from Council, our elected representatives and key business strategic partners, which in our case was Westfield, to come together and draw on the expertise of international and Australian sustainability experts to really start to reconsider our precinct and identify ways that we could allow growth to happen in a sustainable way.
So in each case, they find out what the real problem is and then what are the alternative solutions to that problem. At the end of that, they have a sketch and some alternatives. Then we go on a field trip to the United States where they're paired with a city that's something like the city they are and had a similar problem some time ago and what they do with it. In many cases, they've solved it. In some cases, they came close to solving it, but they've learned in that process. The third phase of this is for them to redesign. That is, they've got a new problem, they have new ways of looking at it, and with the help of our own designers, students, and faculty members from the United States and others, they come up with a new solution, and we help them for the next year implement that solution.
So our students work with the counsellors in the workshop, and really that means that there's an interchange of both the academic perspective being brought into the process in terms of current theories about urban design and planning, and likewise the students hearing about what concerns councillors and local residents and so forth.
I think I've changed my way of thinking to a more strategic approach and a broader way of thinking about how do we deal with a city by itself. I think what's exciting is Bondi Junction's quite small, but we're really convinced that we can do this, and we know that this will be a model for other cities throughout the world, really. If we can make it a little city sustainable, then you can make a big city sustainable.
This is not just cities working one at a time. It's a collaboration of these cities working together. They also are a group that can now speak to government collectively. And so they have some impact. And they can also set a higher benchmark for the cities around them. The future of the world is not tilling land anymore. The future of the world is making new products, services, exchanging ideas, and cities are the place for that.